Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cabbage token. Now the Cabbage token is trending right now on Dex Screener, and it says it is up 1,000,000% in the past 24 hours. Now that is an insane amount. That might be the most I've seen in a while for being up a certain amount. 1,000,000% in the green today in 24 hours. We're going to go over the information on this token. We're going to check for any security risks that may be involved with this token here, any potential warning signs that this could possibly be a scam. We're going to go over all the information and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. They have 0 tweets so far. 82 followers on their Twitter. It is at One Cabbage Sol on Twitter, at ONE Cabbage SOL. It says one cabbage, one supply, infinite potential. Then it has a link to their Telegram that you could join there at One Cabbage Sol, same address. Their Twitter just joined in March 2024. This is a very new project here. And then it has a link to their webpage on the Twitter as well, onecabbage.xyz. So 1,000,000% in the green right now. It's trending number 6 right now on Dex Screener. It's hard to believe that a token that's up 1,000,000% is not trending number 1. Now they have an $8.4 million market cap, and that is also their FDV. Now that's obviously fluctuating right now because this token this could be, I'm just looking at their chart. I mean, there's people selling. People selling here. So I see a lot of sells going on. So it doesn't look like nobody could sell the token. But if you look at their chart, it's just like a straight line up. It's a very crazy looking chart to look at here. Let me put on the 1-day chart. Okay, they actually have a 3-day chart. This token actually is not brand new either. Yeah, this chart, it looks crazy because it's just a big green line, right? So it's like one of them, it looks like a honeypot because it's like straight up. You know what I mean? But there's people selling, so it leads me to believe that people can sell the token because I'm seeing it right in front of my eyes. People selling this token. That is insane, though. Up 1,000,000%. So this the pair on Raydium was actually created 13 days ago, 23 hours ago. So it's not new, but I mean, always be skeptical of any token that's up this amount, because it's like, and people are still just buying like crazy on here. And yeah, it's buy after and then sell, buy. So yeah, crazy. There's been 16,637 transactions within the past 24 hours. They have, it says right on Dex Screener, 96.5% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. So they have, I'm going to put that up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. They have here, it says, yeah, so it says their price, let me verify that. their price per token here is 9,439,000 $1 per token. It is up right now. This token is up over $1.5 million. Or sorry, oh, not $1 million. Over 1.5 million %. That is insane. They have 2,000 holders. And their 24-hour trading volume is $9.17 million. Wow. Yeah, so it does say liquidity locked. What a green-looking chart here. Community trust score is 60% here. They have a DEX score of 76 out of 99 because they only have 1 point for information, so it's lacking a lot of information on their pages here. It's very much just a meme token. It's a cabbage. So it says contract is verified. This is their quick audit by Quick Intel Security on DEX tools. Contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now keep in mind that is only a quick audit. So in quick audits, they don't go over everything. They only went over 5 things. Those 5 things are all checked off and good, but that doesn't mean that it's perfect. That just means we haven't seen a full audit yet. So just be aware of that. So current supply here of this token is 0.9 tokens. That's why the price per token is so insane. That's why the price per token is so big, because, you know, a lot of these tokens, they have a supply of like 420 quadrillion tokens, and then the price per token is like 0.000000001 USDT. But then for this one, it's the opposite. So there's only 0.9 tokens. I would assume that there was 1 token because it's 1 cabbage, they're trying to say. But it's probably deflationary. Maybe they burned 0.1 of a token, I would guess. And now it's down to 0.9. But it says there's 9 decimal places on this token. But let's check out here. Their Telegram has only 49 subscribers on it. This is a crazy token here. They have a DEX screener chart linked on their webpage. Tokenomics. The contract address is right there. And all it says is 1 cabbage, 1 supply, infinite potential. So you could get this token off Raydium by funding your Trust wallet, or sorry, your Phantom wallet or your Solflare wallet, whatever wallet you use for Solana tokens, fund it with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the cabbage token using the contract address. Now, I would definitely take this token with a grain of salt, though, before you do anything like that, because any token that's up a 1.5 million % in the past 24 hours, it, to me, seems sketchy. I'm not saying it is 100% sketchy because I can't verify anything that doesn't have a full audit. It does have 88.95% of liquidity locked and burned. So, I mean, there's that, and then the quick audit's fine, and it's trending number 6. So there's a lot of good things about this token, but it still could be potentially a scam. Just be aware of that, and thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token here, because you never know, especially tokens that are up that much, that quickly. Something crazy. Yeah, I mean, take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research before investing in the cabbage. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this cabbage? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out all the referral codes down there. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.